Ini halangan di Pak. Mau bawa kalau di kami.
Jadi we cerita tu we tahu itu orang kuno we tu kita tu nak kita tahu le mula mo. Kalau macam we lu gesau kat tu mak we pasal apa dah we. Kau macam lo kita patut. Kalau gesau kat tu dah patut pala le so we kau we dia satu dia. Kau mau tu.
Buds began to blossom, their sweet fragrance filled the air. But when winter came, it withered, the petals drooped and fell to the ground. My heart sank as it faded, but I'd forgotten who had made it. Roses will bloom again. Just wait and see. Don't mourn what might have been. Only God knows how and when. But roses will bloom again. Rose was a song, a sweetheart, a loving wife of 40 years. He cherished every day they had, and how the memories dear. He never dreamed he'd bury love and go on to live alone. When he lay his rose to rest, he looked to heaven and tried his best to believe it. Roses will bloom again. Just wait and see. Don't mourn what might have been. Only God knows how and when. But roses will bloom again. The precious rose of Sharon